and a princess! So, let's get started. We will start from drawing Prince. First, we will draw his face and hair. His eyes. His cute little nose and his mouth. Now we will draw a crown on Prince's head. Let's draw his clothes. He is wearing a shirt and a cape. It's time to draw a princess on the right of the prince. First, we will draw her face and hair. Her big eyes. Cute nose and a mouth. Princess has long, beautiful hair. Now, we will draw her dress and a cape. It's time to draw her beautiful crown. To complete our drawing, we will draw a heart. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the face and neck of the Prince Light Peach. We will color the face and neck of the princess with the same color. Now, we will color their hair brown. It's time to color their clothes and capes. Dark pink. Red. Yellow. Red. Purple. Blue. Yellow. At At last, we will color the heart red. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.